Hello, you're welcome at Apex Biology, and our series of questions continue. And the question for this time is define anaerobic respiration and classify their types. We are going to define anaerobic respiration and classify their types. Without much waste of time, let's go straight. The answer is very easy. You say anaerobic respiration, right, is partial breakdown of glucose. All right, take note, partial breakdown of glucose without oxygen. Take note of that. Without oxygen to produce what is called alcohol. It can produce alcohol, or it can produce lactic acid, alcohol or lactic acid, and then CO2, which is representing our carbon dioxide, and of course little amount of energy. This is the simple definition of anaerobic respiration: partial breakdown of glucose without oxygen to produce alcohol or lactic acid and carbon dioxide with little amount of energy. That is the definition of anaerobic respiration. The second part of the question says that we should classify their types. Very easy. The second part of the question, let's classify anaerobic respiration now. Let's classify it. The second part answer goes like this. We have here anaerobic respiration, right? Respiration, let's classify it now. We're going to classify it into two categories. The first classification goes like this, and that one we'll call it fermentation, right? Fermentation in plants, all right? Your best example is using yeast cells. Fermentation in plant uses yeast cells. And when this takes place, what happens is that it forms alcohol. Take note of that. It forms alcohol. The moment fermentation takes place in plants using yeast cell as the first part of anaerobic respiration, it forms alcohol, and we use yeast cells. The second part, number 2 here, type of classification of anaerobic respiration, is called lactic acid formation. Lactic acid formation, very possible, and this is in muscles of animals. These are the answers to our question. So we've given the answer to the definition of anaerobic respiration, and we've been able to classify anaerobic respiration. Enjoy learning at Apex Biology. Bye.